today I'm doing some parkour.
Me too.
With my brother.
I'm gonna go first.
My little brother. Some people actually think that he's my big brother sometimes.
I'm not.
Go, your question.
I made that comment. So move it loud.
Move it how where you want it to be.
This is called the veil.
My turn?
It feels weird when you do it, because it's like you're up in the air for a sec. You gotta do it.
This thing's called, this one's called Super Monkey.
Oh, again!
Stop my booty!
Vacation?
Stop my booty!
I got data. We're taking a vacation to the living room.
No. Do your performance.
Oh.
This is yours.
No, I got my own.
No, I mean like your first one.
Oh, yeah. If you guys didn't see my first move, it's this.
No, they did.
Probably my second move is going to be this.
In the living room. Battlefield BBB.
We're gonna go to the shine it to the couch. Move.
Good.
Over there.
Wait. Good, go. My turn.
Excuse me, guys, I gotta pee.
Where's your move?
Oh yeah, it's here. Let's record fake boxing.
Let's record fake boxing after this. Ethan, after this, let's record fake boxing.
This is our mom's bed.
Our mom and our dad's bed.
Our mom and our dad's bed.
But our dad has his own room.
Sorry about the camera problems. This is bad.
It blurs out.
2, 1. Here. I can do it. Nope. Front foot. Not with these jeans, though. I'm watching. Oh my God! Look, it's cobweb. Hey there.
Yeah, well,
Push me to that.
Oh. If you have the guts!
Well, go like this.
This is holding on to my shoulders. You have the guts! Wait.
Do you ever like fighting video?
Next video, though.
Next video though. Okay. Crap.